Replacing a door in your Birmingham home can be a great way to improve both its aesthetic appeal and security. However, as with any home improvement project, there are common mistakes that can make the process more complicated, costly, and less effective than it should be. Whether you're updating an interior door or upgrading your front entrance, here are some essential mistakes to avoid when replacing your door in Birmingham. Choosing the wrong door material. When selecting a replacement door, it's essential to consider the material carefully. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing the wrong material for their needs. In Birmingham's varied climate, the door you choose must be durable and energy efficient. Wooden doors are a popular choice due to their aesthetic appeal, but they require more maintenance to avoid warping or rotting from the wet weather. Composite doors are more resilient and energy efficient, providing better insulation and requiring minimal upkeep. UPVC doors are highly durable and require little maintenance, making them an excellent choice for front and exterior doors. By selecting a material that isn't suitable for the local weather conditions or your lifestyle needs, you could face higher long-term maintenance costs and reduced energy efficiency. Not properly measuring the door frame. Properly measuring your door frame is one of the most crucial steps in the door replacement process. A common mistake is assuming the existing door size will fit the new one without double checking. Doors come in various standard sizes, and even a small difference in measurements can lead to gaps, misalignment, or difficulties with installation. Always take precise measurements of the height, width, and thickness of the frame before purchasing a new door. If in doubt, enlist the help of a professional to ensure a perfect fit. This will help avoid extra costs and delays associated with needing to exchange the door or adjust the frame. Failing to account for door hardware and accessories. When replacing a door, many homeowners overlook the importance of choosing the right door hardware, such as hinges, handles, locks, and other accessories. Not paying attention to these elements can result in a door that not only looks out of place but also functions poorly. Ensure that your new door hardware complements the style and functionality of the door. For example, if you're installing a high-security front door, choose durable, high-quality locks. Similarly, consider whether you need any additional features like weather stripping or draft proofing to improve your door's insulation. Skipping professional installation. While some DIY enthusiasts may be tempted to install a new door themselves, skipping professional installation is a mistake that can lead to more significant issues. Doors are heavy and complex, and improper installation can affect their functionality, security, and energy efficiency. In Birmingham, experienced professionals can handle the installation quickly and ensure the door is securely fitted. Professionals will also have the tools and expertise to deal with any unforeseen challenges that may arise during the installation. Attempting to install a door yourself may result in costly repairs or even having to replace the door entirely. Overlooking security features. Replacing your door is an excellent opportunity to upgrade your home's security. Unfortunately, many homeowners focus too much on aesthetics and forget about the security features that could make a significant difference. Consider investing in doors with enhanced security features such as multi-point locking systems or reinforced glass. If you live in a higher risk area, particularly in cities like Birmingham with a higher crime rate in some neighborhoods, it's crucial to prioritize security. A sturdy, well-secured door can provide peace of mind and serve as a deterrent to potential burglars. Choosing style over functionality. While it's tempting to select a door based solely on its appearance, it's important to remember that functionality should come first. For example, a beautifully ornate door might look stunning but could be less energy efficient or harder to maintain than a simpler, more practical design. When selecting a door, consider your daily needs, whether you need better insulation, weather resistance, or ease of operation. The door's functionality will directly impact your comfort and long-term satisfaction with the replacement. So, while aesthetics matter, be sure to choose a door that meets your practical needs as well. Ignoring local regulations and permissions. Finally, before replacing your door, be sure to check local building regulations and permissions in Birmingham. If you are replacing an external door, you may need planning permission, especially if you're altering the size or type of door. Ignoring these regulations can result in fines, delays, or having to remove the new door altogether. Consult with a professional or check with your local council to ensure your project complies with Birmingham's regulations. Conclusion. Replacing your door in Birmingham is an exciting home improvement project, but it's crucial to avoid these common mistakes to ensure a successful outcome. By selecting the right door material, measuring correctly, considering security features, and hiring professionals for installation, you can enjoy a stylish and functional door that improves your home's appearance and performance for years to come. Remember, a door is not just an entryway, it's a key part of your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal.